Hey Barbados! This is just a quick update for the channel and the possibility of free courses in the future. First of all, a big thank you for the crazy support up to now, because I haven't expected that many people to really find my tutorials helpful. And in that sense, also sorry for not uploading that regularly in the past few months. Obviously, I also have to do things apart from this channel. And yeah, it was just too much going on that I couldn't really focus on creating new tutorials. But for this year, my plan is to upload one new tutorial every week. So keeping the pace a bit lower compared to previous days of the channel, but still providing consistency with the uploads basically. So that you have the possibility to check out my channel every week to maybe find something in Unreal Engine that you didn't know before. But next, the elephant in the room. The thing that most people would like to see is a structured course about making complete games in C++ from start to finish. And honestly, I also would like to do it. But the problem with those things is that they take a lot of time and effort. That's why probably most people charge money for their courses. Which makes sense because they invest a lot of time in it and then want something in return for the time they have invested in the courses. However, as mentioned in an earlier video, I would like to share my knowledge for free. Since not everyone can afford buying hundreds of courses of thousands of different topics. So I was thinking about how to make a compromise between those two positions. And the point where I ended up was setting goals for my Patreon, and when those are reached, I produce a course linked to the goal that was reached. With that, I could, for example, pay editors, through which I personally save time, maybe get people on board that know a bit more about certain topics for sub-chapters in the courses, and maybe also finance asset packs that can be used throughout the courses. With the end goal always being to have everything freely accessible on YouTube. Still, I obviously know that this collides with the premise of knowledge should be free. But through that, I would still be able to provide courses for free in the end, while achieving a certain standard that I would like my courses to have. So yeah, I really hope you can understand this decision, because if you look at courses that are 3 hours long, it is not just those 3 hours you have to invest in creating them. There's way more planning and structuring involved before even starting the production of a course. And fitting my style of teaching in a structured course where you make a game from start to finish is also not a trivial task. But for now, I still haven't decided on specific courses or goals. I already have some in mind, but I would also like to get your opinion and feedback on it. So, which topics would you like to see me cover in the future? So like making a multiplayer game in C++, making your first game in C++. Write it down in the comments, and based on this, roughly in 1 to 2 weeks, I would settle on the specific courses and goals to unlock them. But yeah, this is basically everything I wanted to talk about today. And based on this, in a few weeks, I will provide you with a new update about the entire course situation. But until then, take care and see you next time.